Today we're taking a look at task 3. Shh, please be discreet. This is a solidify understanding task. The essential question for this task is, how can we determine if the model for a function should be discrete or continuous? When working through these problems, remember our new vocabulary: domain, discrete, and continuous. Question 1. The Library of Congress in Washington, D.C. is considered the largest library in the world. They often receive boxes of books to be added to their collection. Since books can be quite heavy, they aren't shipped in big boxes. If, on average, each box contains 8 books, how many books are received by the library in 6 boxes, 10 boxes, or in boxes? Use a table, a graph, and an equation to model this situation. Allow the number of boxes to be the input, in, and the number of books to be the output, f of n. Model this situation using a table, a graph, and an explicit equation. Then, identify the domain of the function. When you're working to find your domain, take time to consider if each function will be continuous or discrete. Remember, a discrete function does not include all the values in a particular domain, but a continuous function does. Part 2. Many of the books at the Library of Congress are electronic. If about 13 ebooks can be downloaded onto the computer each hour, how many ebooks can be added to the library in 3 hours, 5 hours, or n hours? Allow n, the number of hours, to be your input, and the number of ebooks to be your output. Create a table, a graph, and an explicit equation to model this situation. Then, identify the domain of your function. Remember to consider if each function will be continuous or discrete. Bring your work for questions 1 and 2 to class so we can start our discussion.